Hi, hello. In the last video, we discussed about completely isometric drawings and same as well what is the purpose of isometric drawings. Now, I am going to explain you how to draw the longitudinal section for a beam, how to provide the reinforcement and how to represent the bar, the spacing and everything. Okay. So for that, first I am entering to my Autocad. So here first I want to draw my beam size. Okay, I will go with rectangle. So here I am taking some assumption dimensions only, not that much exactly. Okay, here I am going with, so length I am choosing 5000 and depth go with 400. So this is my beam. Now I want to represent the reinforcement for this. So here what I am doing, firstly I just want to explode this X and next I am deleting these two. Now I am drawing a line here, here to here. So for every beam we have some supports. If we have, it is a simply supported beam, then we have the two supports. If we have a cantilever, then we have only single support. Here I am going with simply supported. So for that I am taking a width of the beam is 450. So I am going with offset of 450 here to here. So this is my support. And next I am trimming this portion. After this, here what I am doing, I want to show the continuity for the column. So for that we have a symbol for continuity. So here I am drawing. So I am offing my ortho. So this is my continuity symbol. I am on my ortho again. So here what I am doing, I just want to select it and go with mirror. Okay, selecting it, give MI and hold shift, give right click of the mouse, select mid between 2 points. So I want to take the mirror between these 2 points like this. And the same process I am repeating here also for supporting. MI enter, hold shift, right click of the mouse, mid between 2 points, 1 and same 2. Okay, now I want to draw the reinforcement here. So before going to draw the reinforcement, we want to know the what is the cover we are using. I am assuming here for beam I am going with 30. For column I am going with 40 mm cover. Okay, I am taking the offset of 30 and so here to here is 30, here to here also 30. Again I am going with 40 for column side. In anywhere, any side also, we keep some distance from the edge. So for that, so in this distance, what we call it as clear cover. Okay, I just extend these two from here to here like this, and on both sides. Okay, now I want to draw the one of the reinforcement. After that, I will go with mirror simply. So first I want to trim these portions. After that, I am using break command to break the line here to certain distance like this. And next, for bar bending, here I am using fillet command with radius of 30. So this is my bar bend portion. So here what I am doing, I am directly selecting this, go with mirror. Okay. So I want to take the mirror here, hold shift, right click between 2 points like this. And here I am selecting these two and moving towards a distance of, I will go with some 30 or 40 distance like this. Okay. Next, go with trim to delete the unwanted portions. Okay. Now here I am deleting this portion and take the mirror of it. Okay. Here I am selecting this portion from here to here. Give MI, enter, hold shift for perfect mirror. So meet between 2 points. I am choosing this is the first point and same as well this is the second point like this. And I want to trim the unwanted portion what we have here. Now we have to represent the distribution bar also. Here we have only main reinforcement. So we have to show the distribution bar also. So for distribution bar, here I am going with donut. So first diameter of the donut is 0. We already discussed in previous commands, secondary draw tools. So what is mean by donut, in which cases we can use it also. I will explain it out. Here I am giving outer dia is 30. So this is my donut, but it's too small. So I want to draw some bigger one. Donut. So first one 0. Next I am giving some 50. Okay. So this is my reinforcement. Distribution reinforcement. Okay. We always keep our reinforcement away from our support because we want to provide the distribution reinforcement in the column. Okay. So in the column means the beam distribution reinforcement is not entering into the column. It was the meaning. Okay. So here I am taking this and go with copy. This is my base point and go with array. I want to specify some 30 copies with a distance of 200. I am giving 200. Okay. So here we won't get any reinforcement in the support. So I am deleting these portions directly. Now go with mirror. Select all of them. So go with mirror, MI, enter, hold shift, right click between 2 points. So this is the first and this is the second. So like this we have to specify the reinforcement. We have to represent the longitudinal section for a beam. And same as well to show the clearness in the diagram, I am going with layer properties. Okay. So for outer portion, I am applying here some different layer. Here I am choosing yellow. And next for reinforcement, so I want to provide some different layer. So this is my complete reinforcement. So here I want to give some pink. Okay. Next. So for this also, I'm giving some layer. So here I am giving ash. Okay. Now, so longitudinal section is completed, but we have to show the text. Okay, what diag we are using and what is the spacing between the bars. Okay, so for that I am going with leader. Here I am going with leader. So here we want to go with leader. So this is my one of the leader portion. Here I want to specify the text T of 12 at the rate of, we will go with at the rate, otherwise give space also. There is no problem here. So 150 center to center. I want to represent it as, okay. So here I am selecting this, going control plus 1 to show it clearly. Okay, here I have the leader. So I want to go with some blue color for leader. And here I have the head, leader head also. So for I am choosing some different. So specify the head is 60 like this. And same as well text we want, right? So here we have the text. So for text height here I am giving 250. It's too huge. I will go with 100, 80. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So if you want to change the layer also, layer of the text also, you can do it. Okay. Like this. Clear? Next here, and here I'm adding one more leader, add leader from here to this circle. Next, so we want to provide one more dimension for reinforcement, horizontal one. So for that, what I am doing, I just go with again one more leader, and so the text I directly want to take the copy of this text, control A, C. Next here I will go with text portion, control V. So control plus 1. So while we go with the text in the first time, we have to adjust it. So it's 80 means 50. Okay, I will go with 80. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. Okay, next. So this is my leader. So for leader here I have arrow. So I have to change this arrow also. So leader have some arrow. Arrow height I want to specify here, some 40 I am giving. Okay, 50. So and same as well color of it, blue. I am closing this and adding one more leader to this, here to this reinforcement. So this is the process how to represent the longitudinal section for a brim. Okay, if you have any doubts in this LS of a beam, just comment it. I will clear it in the next video. Thank you so much for your supporting and same as well subscription of our channel. You know how to use these commands and same as well all by layers. Just try yourselves. Okay, thank you, bye bye.